Now Foods, beef bone broth, 1.2 pounds, 544 grams. Product overview description. Pure powder, 28 grams protein, no soy, no dairy, ideal for paleo diets, no artificial sweeteners, no aspartame, no sucralose, no acesulfame, KGMP, quality assured. Now Sports beef bone broth powder is a premium quality beef bone extract that's an excellent source of natural protein. Beef bone broth is a common food base in many cultures and a natural source of protein, amino acids, collagen and more. This paleo-friendly protein product is made without artificial ingredients, and is free of many common allergens, making it an ideal source of protein for individuals with food sensitivities. Now Sports beef bone broth powder mixes easily in water and is a tasty and convenient way to ensure you're getting the protein your active lifestyle requires. Suggested use. Add 1 level scoop daily to 8 ounces of water or other beverage. Stir or blend. May be added to soups, sauces, or other foods. Other ingredients. Natural beef bone broth concentrate powder. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, corn, milk, egg, fish, shellfish or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings. Use this product as a food supplement only. Do not use for weight reduction. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry, dark place after opening. This product is sold by weight, not volume. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.